Assalamu alaikum and hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Farwat's Kitchen. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for choosing Farwat's Kitchen. In this video I will show you how to make shark samosas. So without much further ado, let's get into the video and get to learn how these samosas are prepared. So first and foremost, I will boil the shark by adding salt and water. And after the shark is properly cooked, I will remove the skin like so. And after removing the skin, I will mince it into small pieces. So I will mince it using my hand like so. Now add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, a half a teaspoon of grounded black pepper, a half a teaspoon of grounded cinnamon, a half a teaspoon of grounded cumin, a half a teaspoon of coriander powder, and also add citrus acid. You can either add citrus acid or even lime juice. And then let it cook on medium-low heat for around 1 to 2 minutes. And after it has cooled down, add around 5 onions, 5 cubed onions or 5 chopped onions, 1 chopped bell pepper, and 1 dhania or 1 coriander. And then mix well, ready to fold the samosas. Take a samosa wrapper and fold it like so. Create space to add the shark, and then add around 1 tablespoon or around 2 tablespoons of shark. You can add around 1.5 tablespoons or 1 tablespoon or even 2, and then add flour paste so that the wrapper sticks. You will repeat the same process until you are done. As you can see, the samosas are ready to be deep fried. So when the oil gets heated up, I will start deep frying these samosas. And when they turn to golden brown on one side, flip them to the other side so that they get a beautiful color on both sides. And after that, the samosas are ready, as you can see. And you'll continue frying the other samosas until you are done. As you can see, the samosas are ready. They have a very beautiful brown color. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment.